Good evening, all of you. Yes, this is your money ma'am back again with your 2025 board exam preparation. Where did Vani ma'am go all these days? Little bit busy with the profession. No problem. But as I said, WOC or your world of chemistry will never leave you alone. Yes? Yes. Welcome back to all the students who are there with me since long. Namaskaram. To all the students who are joining me for the first time, welcome to WOC and this is Vani ma'am. I'm wearing a sweater or a jacket rather because it is very cold at Delhi. Yes, I'm live doing this video from Delhi. I'm feeling so cold. It's almost 7 to 8 degrees. That's the reason I'm wearing this. This is not a problem. But I'm back again to help you all for your board examination, that is the upcoming 2025 boards. All the grade 12 students, just give a smile. Today I'm going to give you a beautiful rather, a wonderful rather, a strategy which is going to help you, and you will tell me after you come and write the board examination, you will say, yes, Vani ma'am, you said it right. Let us start the video. Let us not waste time. In this video, I'm going to tell you clearly, starting from today, how you're going to plan your complete board exam preparation and how you're going to come up with 98%. There is no fake thumbnail. There are no false promises which are made. Everything is genuine. Watch the video till the end. Alright. But one thing before we start, one important promise which we should do before the mirror. What is that? Go and stand in front of the mirror and tell the mirror and tell just simply you say, I am the best. I am the best. I'm always the best. So when you say that, you will have that confidence. Never ever put yourself down. Alright? Yes. Let's start the video. Watch the video completely. Point number 1. You all know CBSE has released the date sheet, isn't it? Your examinations are going to start for science students rather. Your first paper is on 17th, that is your physical education paper, correct? Then comes on your 20th computer application paper, that also you need to study. Then dreadful subject physics is on 21st. And then this is art subject, that is chemistry. So 27th February is a chemistry paper. A countdown and your study should follow day wise. Remember, I'll tell you how to do. I'm there to help you out. So following this date sheet, that is on 27th of February, your chemistry, that means if I start uploading the videos from 19th, that's from tomorrow, or rather 20th one day, from 19th January till February 15th, you have total number of days are 28 days. Alright. Then from 21st, because you have exams in between, I'm not going to touch those days. Then again from 21st evening, once you write your physics paper and come back, from 21st February to 26th February, you have 6 days. So total how many days it's coming up to? It's coming up to 28 and 34 days is what you have. So what we are going to do with this 34 days in hand? But every day, remember, you will stand in front of the mirror and say, I'm the best. I'm going to believe in my hard work. That you have to do. Okay. All right. Now, in these 34 days, as I said, how many chapters do we have? You very well know, as the CBSE has prescribed, you have 10 chapters. So that is your physical, your organic and your inorganic, right? Now your physical chapters as solid state is not there. So solutions, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Put together how many marks? It's coming to 23 marks. That means out of your 70 marks, 23 marks is your physical chemistry. It includes what? It includes numericals. Yes, compulsory. We are going to drill the numericals based on your MCQs, based on your assertion reasoning questions, based on your case based questions. Also everything we are going to drill in a different way. Next comes your inorganic chemistry. You have 2 chapters. One is D and F block and one is coordination compounds. Both include 7 and 7, 14 marks for your board examination. Correct? Out of 70, 23 is physical chemistry. Out of 70, 14 is inorganic chemistry. Correct? Then comes your organic chemistry. We are going to see the weightage and I'll start with the strategy as to how to study these. Alright, now after your inorganic chemistry and your physical chemistry, we are going to come to the organic chemistry. Yes, that's the dreadful part for most of the students. Nothing to worry, Vani ma'am is there for you all. In your organic chemistry, you have haloalkenes and haloarenes, you have alcohols, you have aldehydes, you have amines and biomolecules. Total weightage is 33 marks. Oh my god, this is where maximum students get tensed. Don't worry, I have a strategy for that also. So we have divided your paper into physical, inorganic and organic. The maximum weightage is organic and your physical chemistry is coming to 23, organic is coming to 33, as well as your inorganic is coming to your 14 marks. Nothing to worry. Now I'll tell you how to do and how to go about. Now I'll give you a clear idea where the board is stressing, where I have to stress without getting tensed. Let us see the next strategy, how to start. Now we have 34 days as we have understood. Now how should we start studying these 34 days which are crucial in my life? First, we have 10 chapters. So 34 days divided by 10 chapters. We very well know biomolecules chapter, it doesn't require more than 2 days. So what will I do? I'll take out this 34 and make it 32 days. Why? I have allocated 2 days for biomolecules. This is more than enough if you watch that. Okay. If you watch my one-shot videos also, you will understand hardly one day it will be over. Now, in these 32 days and 9 chapters, I will almost get 3.5 days per one chapter, isn't it? 3.5 days is the target for one chapter. You all know board has decided some strategy, or it has told that this time you will be getting a remembering and understanding type questions, it seems. Alright, in every chapter, whatever you are studying, remembering and understanding, it is almost 28 marks for your board examination. OMG, 28 marks means 40% of your total marks. So we have to concentrate more on this remembering and understanding. I'll tell you how we are going to do this. After that, you have application based questions, that is applying the concepts into the questions given. That is 21 marks. That means 30% of your total marks what is given to you prescribed. Next comes your analysis, evaluating and creating type. That is all again 21 marks, which is 30%. Where are we failing? Basically, maximum students are failing in understanding the question. So I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to guide you as to how to do the remembering type questions, which is almost 40%. I'm going to guide you as to how to solve the apply or application based questions, which is 30%. I'm going to tell you how to analyze, how to evaluate and how to create the answer from the unknown question, which is 30%. Carefully, we are going to focus. How many days do we need? We need 3.5 days per chapter. So in this 3.5 days, we have to struggle, rather we have to keep a target that we will finish it off at any cost. Now we will see with the pattern of questions what the board said, where am I going to focus, what am I going to tell you, how are we going to study for the exam. But before that, try to get one 300 pages long register, so that as and when you study, you keep noting and revise and re-revise and re-revise. Let us see the board pattern and how we are going to put or incorporate this 40, 30 and 30 into that. Now we have seen the bifurcation, we have seen the number of days, we have seen what the board wants in terms of understanding, in terms of applying, in terms of creating or evaluating. Now, according to your question paper, as you get the board question, basically they have section A to E. So A, B, C, D, E, correct? You are supposed to attempt all to get those marks out of 70. So in section A, they're going to concentrate on MCQs. So that's a maximum weightage where you can score marks. You all know passing mark is 23 out of 70. We don't want that passing mark. We want more. Dil mange more. Correct? So 23 marks maximum. If I have to tell you, MCQs, if you try to attempt 16 out of 16, there you are almost to the score. You can almost reach 23. Correct? I'm going to train you in that MCQs also. In section A, MCQs are for 16 questions, 1 mark each and 16 marks. I can score here. Then comes your very short answer, rather short answer type. Okay. There are how many questions? 5 questions which are carrying 2 marks and equal to 10 marks total. Even here, even if you miss out of 5, 1 question also it's okay. 8 marks you'll get. 16 plus 8. Wow, it's almost over. Now you have, if you're further struggling, you want to get to more and more marks, then comes your challenge. Short answer questions are total 7 questions which is carrying, each is carrying 3 marks, or 21 marks is a score. So your struggle, this is where we need to put more and more struggle, where I'm going to train you for that also. Then comes your section D, case based question. How many are there? 2 questions. How many marks each? 4 marks. This is also easy. This is very easy. I'll train you for that. Total marks are 8. Over. Next comes your long answer question. How many? 3 are there. Total, or each question weightage is 5 and total marks is 50. That means total number of questions are 33. Total marks are 70. Now our target or our focus is mostly on these, where we are going to do step by step all these. Yes, so here most important thing, what should I do? How should I start doing this is what matters. Now let me give you the most important thing, and how we are going to do, and how you are going to study along with me for all these 32 days, rather 34 days I'm there with you all. Let's see that strategy now. I got a clear analysis of the board exam. I have a clear analysis of the dates. I have clear analysis for the pattern of the paper. Now what should I do? What should I start? Now basically for your board examination, as I said, you need to be thorough with your subjective part. Okay, subjective part. Now subjective part, where do I get? Yes, Vani ma'am has already done the one-shot videos. Yes, one-shot videos. What I did is, this one-shot videos I took up, or I picked up line by line NCERT. Yes, line by line NCERT. Line by line NCERT, and I have kept in the playlist that is one-shot videos. One-shot videos, if you watch, they are around 2 to 3 hours. If you watch that, 100% it is something a replica of your NCERT. I have covered everything in that. You go and search, just go to World of Chemistry, one-shot videos by Vani ma'am, you'll get it. Yes, watch the complete one-shot videos before you start the series, so that it is easy. But then too, taking the pain, I will also explain again. Next, subjective after that, as I said, I know to MCQs. I'm going to train you topic wise MCQs. Topic wise MCQs is what I'm going to train. I'll teach the topic, I'll take up the MCQs. That's for you. Next important thing, after MCQs, I'm going to take you into that concept, that is short answer or very short answer, case-based questions, and your long answer questions. This one, ma'am, how do I do? Just, I'm going to coordinate, communicate with you all in the Telegram also. So, for me, I have 10 chapters to do with you all. I have to complete so many. So, what I will plan is, let me tell you clearly, I'm going to take up all your 34 days, and you are going to promise me that you are there with me. So, every 4th day, that means if I start on 20th, let us assume, I'm starting on 20th February, means I'm going to upload 24th February one more video. That means every 4th day, I'm going to upload one video. For example, 20th February, I'm going to take up solutions. Okay, first chapter. What should I be? I have to know subjective part. That means one short video I'm going to watch completely. You'll be ready with your one short video. Now what I'll do, I'll teach you the topic. For example, simple topic. What actually is a solute? What actually is a solvent? In that, what types of questions are asked? What is an element? What is a mixture? What is a compound? Everything rather like that. I'll teach the topic and I'll be doing related MCQs. I'll teach the topic, I'll be doing related short answers if there are any. I'll be teaching the topic, I'll be doing very short answers. If any case-based questions are there, I'll be doing case-based questions. If there are any assertion and reasoning questions, because in MCQs, they're going to ask you assertion and reasoning questions also. Like that, all the questions or all the topic, everything will be dealt in the same video. Again, I'm telling you, 10 chapters, 10 different videos will be sent to you. Any PDFs which are there, that will be sent in the Telegram also. Telegram link will be given in the description. One shot videos link will be given in the description. But remember, before I start the chapter, I'm going to do some concept map also. When I do concept map, what happens? The complete chapter summary is there in that, isn't it? So you promise me that you're going to stay with me, and every fourth day I'll be uploading a video. See, it's little bit long, but if you watch that, 100% is covered. There are no fake thumbnails, there are no misleading, there is no grabbing of money from you all. Only thing, Vani ma'am believes in hard work. Yes. So starting from 20th February, I'm going to start all these topic wise. 20th one video, 24th one video, 28th one video, like that the journey goes on. Till you are 26th February, I'm there with you all. 27th, you'll write the exam and you'll come and tell me, ma'am, I did my exam wonderfully. The students who are aiming high, yes, I'm there. The students who want to just pass, also I'm there with you all. Darna mana hai. Yes. So please focus. Join me in this journey. Only thing, 34 days, 3 and 4 days are with me, and you are going to prove yourself and make your parents proud. So signing off here, and join me again from 20th February till 20th January rather. I'm sorry, I should not write February here. 20th January till 26th February. My journey continues with you all. 26th February. Bye-bye. Signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and inform all your friends. World of Chemistry or your Vani ma'am is always there for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.